How to restore Snapchat streak. So if you want to restore Snapchat streak, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening your Snapchat, now if you want to restore someone's streak, then what you need to do is you will have a restore button on the right side of that chat. You can tap on that restore and your streaks will be restored. But there's a limit on how many times in a month you can restore. So you can go with your profile, which is on the top left, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. And under settings here, you need to scroll down and you'll find an option of support or feedback. Under support and feedback, tap on I've lost my snap streak and tap on how do I restore my snap streak. Now here, as you can see that it says if you recently lost your streak, you can restore it with one free streak restore or with an in-app purchase from the chat feed or your conversation. You can start a new streak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth to each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. So you can restore it with one free streak restore. You'll have a restore button just right beside their chat. And in this way, you'll be able to restore a Snapchat streak. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.